Yo, what is up, everybody? My name is Minnesota Ninja, and I'm back with another video. In this Black Ops 3 video, I'm going to be showing you a out of the map spot on Fringe. Now this is easy to get into, but it's a very small spot and you have to bypass the death barrier. So you have to do it in less than 3 seconds to get into it, but it's not that hard to do. And once you get into it, it's very awesome. Now you want to go to the back side of the map where I'm at, and you want to go by this truck. You want to go to the edge here, and then you want to jump all the way over to the spot I just pointed at. And there's a small area where you bypass the death barrier. As you can see, I just got into it. It's that simple. So once you're here, you could just like camp here or AFK, but you still will get kicked for being inactive. So you got to be careful with that. So you still got to move around and jump a bit so you don't get kicked. But yeah, you can camp in the back there and kill enemies. It'll be kind of hard for them to kill you. They could still kill you if they could figure it out, or they just bypass the death barrier. Now, yeah, that's about it. You can do this in any game mode on the map. So yeah, play hide and seek. Use it online, but if you do, people will get butthurt and then probably report you. But anyways, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed, please drop a like. They always help me out a lot. Comment in the section below on what you thought of the video. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Get me to 5,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys in the next one. Minnesota Ninja out. Peace.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like and also subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out my previous video. It's really crazy. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.